Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an ICN downloaded is stuck in the right corner of your screen, so it appears down in your taskbar system tray area. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the little expand icon, the up triangle that says show hidden icons. Right click on the Teams icon and select quit. See, that resolves the problem. Something else you can do here too, if you right click on the taskbar and select task manager, again you would locate something that says Microsoft Teams underneath apps. You just would right click on it and select end task. Again, that would be for the Microsoft Team application. So again, that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty straightforward. If you restart your computer, probably get rid of it too. So like I said, do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.